Welcome back to Delectable Planet. We are going to demonstrate the making of chocolate from two natural ingredients. Deep in the heart of the tropics, where the air is warm and the soil rich, grows the tree that gives us one of the world's most beloved flavors, cacao. Used for thousands of years by ancient civilizations like the Maya and Aztecs, cacao has a long and sacred history. But before it becomes chocolate, it goes on a remarkable journey. From the moment the pod is split open, the transformation begins. The beans are fermented to develop their signature depth, then sun-dried to lock in a flavor. Once dried, the beans are carefully roasted, unlocking rich aromas and the deep, earthy notes we associate with true chocolate. Finally, the outer shells are removed, revealing the pure essence of cacao, the nib. These crunchy, bitter, flavorful bits are the foundation of all chocolate to come. We are going to make chocolate now from just two ingredients, cacao nibs and dried dates, in the form of a powder. The tools we are using: stone grinder for grinding the chocolate. An induction burner and pan with a spatula is for warming the cacao nibs and later tempering the chocolate. We also will use a scale for weighing the ingredients and a thermometer for checking temperature throughout the process. Other tools that will come in handy are spatulas, pastry knives, bowl scrapers, and a selection of molds for making the chocolate shapes. Optionally, you may want to use a chocolate warming station to aid in tempering the chocolate and keeping it warm for the pouring step. Let's take a look at our chocolate grinder. After removing the tensioning nut from the top, you can take out the splash guard, the side scrapers, and finally the stones. The bowl has a stone at the bottom that grinds the cacao using a rotating motion, aided by the turning of the cylindrical stones. Warm the nibs to about 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. This step is optional, but helps release the fats from the cacao and speeds up adding the nibs to the grinder. They are ready to go into the grinder when they look darker and the fat has migrated to the surface. For this recipe, we gradually add 4 pounds or 1.8 kilos of cacao nibs, followed by 1.3 pounds or 0.6 kilos of date powder as it grinds into a thick paste. It will take 24 to 48 hours to reach the consistency of fine chocolate liquor. Check the flavor and consistency every 10 to 12 hours. Tighten the spring pressure on top to achieve a finer grind. Longer grinding times will also expose the chocolate to air, resulting in a more refined flavor. This process is called conching. Once the desired flavor and texture are achieved, we are ready to pour out the liquor and cool it from 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius in the grinder to 81 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 degrees Celsius in the tempering pan. Tempering the chocolate by cooling it creates a smooth, shiny finish, a satisfying snap when broken. While we wait for it to cool, we can chop the nuts and prepare any other ingredients we want to add to our chocolate. Prepare other fillings like almond butter or peanut butter, or flavorings such as orange essence. Once the chocolate has cooled, reheat the liquor to pouring temperature, about 89 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. Ladle the liquor into a pitcher or use a piping bag to fill the molds. For chocolates with fillings, start with a layer of chocolate, add the filling, then cover with more chocolate. Give the mold a quick shake to eliminate air bubbles. Use a pastry knife or bowl scraper to remove any excess chocolate from the mold. Place in the refrigerator for an hour or more to solidify. When set, remove from the molds and enjoy.